Hello, this is the TradeSite US Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 25th of August 2020. We shall see what that means for the week ahead, obviously, from that perspective. Hold on one second. So here's the S&P at new highs since the breakdown, which is whatever. But at the end of the day, nothing's really changed. Tesla's down, everything. So let's go through the major indices. We all know that that's not a good thing from any perspective. So crude oil down 5 cents to 42.57. Been a blip for many weeks. Gold up 2, but still way off the highs. S&P cash gains 34.12. There's a big gap, right? You can see the gap on the S&P cash index, which is interesting. The NASDAQ 100 up at 71.01. They got 13 sell signal in place. We hit the risk line of that sell signal. Tesla is the problem. We'll look at that in a minute. SOX up 21 points, does not make new highs. Biotech's down 48.9, as go banks and biotechs. So goes the market. Russell 2000 up 16 points. Nobody cares. The VIX loses 17 cents. Trend closes at 0.53. So that takes the 10-day back down to 1.03, but it's still not a sell signal that we care about. Advanced decline ratio, volume on the NASDAQ 3.9. Still light. We're not seeing what we usually see for the last few months. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ plus 367. It's okay. We've only had 3 positive days out of the last 10. They haven't been heavy, but it is what it is. On the New York, though, it's plus 1333, so that's fine. Google gains $9.58. Apple up $5.95 while it still deals with the split situation. Netflix down $3.50. Amazon up 22.74, still tucked against that risk line. Tesla, now here's the deal, the split is announced, right, and we're done, and last Friday was the ex-dividend date. So we got 13 sell signal, and we're down 35.78. Facebook up $4.38, but it was higher intraday. Goldman Sachs up 491, it's a blip. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 27. We don't really care, and the Dow was up. It doesn't really matter. Okay, now we look at the intraday action. Here's the problem, right? Gap up, dead flat all day. We rallied in the last 10 minutes, and that's what it is. If you look at the NASDAQ side, gap up, that's the high of the day. We came all the way back. We were up over 100 points. Tesla comes down, so the NASDAQ comes down because the entire NASDAQ is Tesla and Apple right now, basically, and then drops, fills the gap, bangs around a little bit, closes slightly positive. So it's just not much of a day from that perspective. In terms of economic data coming out on the week tomorrow, we have, hang on, let me see. We have the housing price index, the S&P Composite 20 housing price index at 6 a.m. CB consumer confidence and new home sales and Richmond manufacturing at 7, and that's it for the whole day. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading week.